Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Prishra Kanodia. I'm a second year law student and I appeared for MH Law CET 2023. Being an OMS, that is an outside Maharashtra student, I scored 105 in my examination. Now today I'll be talking that how we could cover the legal section of MH Law CET. As we know that there will be 40 questions, okay, and we know that the plus point in MHCT is that we do not have any negative marking, so we could attempt all the questions. Now, there's one thing that which I personally feel is that we could easily score 30-35 plus in the section of MS Law CT because the range of the question differs from easy to moderate. They are not very difficult, and scoring 35 plus from just one section will make things easier for you because आपके ऊपर फिर वो peer pressure नहीं आएगा बाकी sections के time पे. Now, unlike CLAT, here we do not get passage-based questions. Most of the major part of this section is covered by legal principle and fact-based questions. For example, you'll get a legal principle that nothing is an offense if committed by a child below 7 years of age. Then you'll get a fact-based situation that there is a child of 6 years old and he committed such and such crime. Would he be responsible for his act? You have to answer these questions accordingly. Now, the second part of this section are covered by static legal, such as which law was introduced by Sir William to prohibit practice of sati, or how many languages are there in the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India. These types of questions are been mainly covered in legal section of MH Law CT. You'll also get assertion and reasoning type of questions. Okay, as we know that the level of this examination differs from easy to moderate, it is not very tough to prepare for this section. Okay, this section is very scoring, and if you prepare for it in the right way, I would request you to please join my Telegram channel, whose link I'll be adding in the description box to get all the content, the material, the right way how you can prepare for the examination. So, for more such content, please follow me. Stay tuned.